Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to see archived stories on Facebook. So first, open Facebook. You'll only be able to view old stories if the story archive feature is enabled. If it is not, you won't be able to view your archived stories. Second step, tap the three lines and tap your name. If you're using an iPad, iPhone, the three-line menu icon will be in the bottom right corner of your screen. But for Androids, the three-line menu icon is in the top right corner of your screen. Then, tap the three dots here. You'll see this three-dot menu icon under your cover photo near the middle of your screen. And tap Archive and tap Story Archive. The first archive option is next to an icon of an paper box, and Story Archive is located at the top of the page. Then tap a story to view. While these stories are over 24 hours old, you will only be able to see your own. You cannot see stories that were uploaded by other people here. If you want to change settings like the archive feature, tap the three-dot menu. You can also add stories to highlights on your profile so everyone else can watch them. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.